So, today is the National EAS testum, and it's a federal takeover. They're going to break in the box of all EAS transmission boxes that are out there. They're stationed at your regular station. And they're going to break in and automatically, and it says right here on Yahoo News, for the first time the federal government will actually break into programming nationwide to test its emergency communications backbone at approximately 2 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday. Radio and TV stations will sound a loud tone and an announcement and testing the nationwide emergency alert system. And then it tells you all how good it is and how it's needed and stuff, and then that the Federal Emergency Management Agency says, or is. But at the bottom here, it says already big anti-government groups are suspicious of government ability to preempt broadcasts. A planned digital EAS could allow the president to send a text message to virtually every telephone in the country, according to a government document obtained by the National Journal. Oh, but I have here is the FCC PDF December 7th of 2009, and it says here, FEMA and the FCC announced adoption of standards for wireless carriers to receive and deliver emergency alerts and alerts via mobile devices. Do you understand? They are telling you in the Yahoo article of the it's the anti-big government groups are already doing this. Well, what is Alex Jones has been saying for the last 16, 17 years? It's covered in his first film. And Police State 2000. It shows you. And there, Yahoo saying, already anti-big government websites. It's like, they're telling the people that they're so dumb. It's like, ooh, already. No, it's been going on for the last 16 plus years. And then Glenn Beck came out the other day. October 25th, maybe it was on the 24th. And then it says right here, and then he's sarcastically, where is it? Let me find it. It's around here somewhere. Said, here it is. Why are we testing this thing at 2 p.m. on a Wednesday when we don't even know if the damn thing works? Will work. Who does that? Asked Beck, drawing attention to the fact that FEMA has indicated it isn't even sure wherever television broadcasts will display a message or not during the test. It takes the nation's communication and such, it shuts it down in the middle of the workday on a Wednesday when the whole world is in revolution. That doesn't help calm things, Mr. President, said Beck. I do know that it says, if you watch Glenn Beck, I haven't watched him since, like, haven't watched him since, 2009 or so. About when the first season of Conspiracy Theory came out. When I thought Alex Jones was a lunatic. But, there you go, and, it's also in the, this was also set up in the Telecommunications Act of 1996. I haven't really read it, though, because I'm usually playing my games and subconsciously asleep, but then when I stayed up about the other day on November 3rd, that was a lot of fun. Well, I'll be filming the test, and I'm gonna put this on YouTube, and I don't care.